When we were looking for a house, we wanted a well-lit place where we could get the morning sun. It could be very airy. So this is a luxury home. It's kind of a resort that we have. It's beautiful, it's green, it has a very good neighborhood. We have a very interactive community living, and this is a dream come true.
My partner Dev and I, we both are architects with our parents headed towards their late 50s. They have a very certain set lifestyle. And we saw that this property by Tata accomplishes almost all of them.
I think as architects, we were really stunned by the scale of the living room that we got. I don't think the scale of the space is something that we can get in any other apartment in the surrounding areas. This particular property has a very good layout in terms of segregation of public and private spaces.
The amenities, I think it's very well thought of from all aspects, be it the security or the convenience of having stores around us which can just deliver our day-to-day requirements home, the restaurants, the gym and the pool, which is, they have both the hot and the regular pool, which is definitely a must go to if you're at Primanti.
My favorite is the green lawns here.
Life in Primanti has been what I had ideal lifestyle at the fag end of my career. Get up in the morning and I wanted to hit the gym, which I can make it here because just 2 minutes I'm there in the gym.
In years to come, it's going to be like a comfortable, ancestral, beautiful house. So it's really nice to be at Tata.
We moved in Tata Primanti last November, and it's been more than 6 months now, and it's been fantastic so far. Whatever we thought about our new accommodation, we are realizing all of that, so we are quite happy.
My main criteria was that wherever I move in, the construction should be of high quality. And more importantly, the security aspect. You have at least 2 tiers of security here. I am fortunate to have both my mother and mother-in-law staying with me. Even when we go out to work somewhere, they are safe.
With all the challenges in the Gurgaon environment, I think Tatas do a good job of keeping up high quality.
I really got fascinated by the clubhouse. The facilities provided over here was very good, and I think I'm using it the most over here.
We have to come out of this computer games to actually playing some games on ground. They have good sports facilities, which I think is the need of the hour for anybody.
I play tennis, basketball, or badminton. Sometimes I play table tennis or billiards.
The location is very good because this is bang on the SPR road.
For me, it is very convenient, and especially from the nearby crossing of Vatika Chowk, most of the places are within reachable distance for Gurgaon.
My workplace is Gurgaon. I used to stay at Noida, and now I have practically saved 3 hours in a day, spending more time with my wife and at home.
There's a lot of expression you can find within this villa. We have tried to create what we like as a family. For example, we have created our own exclusive family get-together area in the open-to-sky courtyard.
My favorite part is the living area and the balcony. I like the distance between 2 towers. There's no obstruction in front of my balcony.
The minus point about our penthouse is everyone wants to have a party at my place because they want to have a good view.